Caption close Madrid, AP, Spain and Portugal have issued warnings of high winds and heavy rain as a storm reaches the Iberian Peninsula from the Atlantic. Spain's weather service has issued its highest warning level, red for extreme risk, for the adverse conditions Sunday generated by Storm Ana. It says the biggest threat to public safety will be the strong winds, which could reach 120 km per hour, 74 mph, in mountainous regions and the country's northwest. Portugal's weather service has also issued warnings of extreme risk due to high winds for its northern and central areas. High winds were also hitting the west coast of Britain and Wales.